Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetaMask and create a new wallet safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download MetaMask, start by opening your web browser. Search for MetaMask in your preferred search engine. Locate the official MetaMask website in the search results. Click on the link to the official MetaMask site. Once the site loads, look for the download option. Select the correct version for your browser. Follow the prompts to add the MetaMask extension. After installation, locate the MetaMask icon in your browser's extensions toolbar. Click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. You will be greeted with a welcome page. Select the option to create a new wallet. Read the terms and conditions carefully, then proceed. Create a strong password for your wallet. Confirm your password by entering it again. Next, you will be given a secret backup phrase. Write this phrase down on paper and store it securely. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if needed. Once you have noted down your phrase, click on the confirmation button. Confirm your backup phrase by clicking the words in the correct order. Once done, you will see a success screen. Your wallet is now created, and you can start using it. Take time to explore the features and settings of MetaMask. Ensure you understand how to use your wallet safely. Always keep your secret backup phrase secure and never share it with anyone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.